Yeah, it's been harsh on a few players because for somebody like Sean, who's been our most outstanding player in the last 6 seasons, hasn't really got a lot of opportunities which he deserves. There are also, there's also a very good left arm spinner, Murli Karthik, who has missed out. We have not been able to give him enough opportunities. There are a couple of others. But the thing is that the one thing that is of paramount importance to us is the team composition, and I think that's more important than anything else. And I've been very fortunate that the players who missed out have been very supportive, and they've tried and created and helped in creating a good dressing room atmosphere. I would have loved to do that. But we'll also have to take the wickets into account, because obviously Mohali is a wicket wherein there's a lot of bounce and seam around. So I think Mitchell definitely had to play this game because he's had a few niggles and he's recovered from that. So obviously the way he bowled, the way he came out, I think it was good to see. For the playoffs, obviously we'll go and have a look at the wicket at Calcutta, how it looks, and only then make a decision on which combination to play. I just feel in hindsight we retained him, but there was a lot of pressure on him because the thing that just to have been retained by a franchise puts a lot of pressure on a person who hasn't really played that much. So in hindsight, giving him that time to really think about it and competing for place, because he is competing for place with somebody like Cheteshwar Pujara and Virendra Sehwag. So I think that really helped in calming his nerves, because otherwise he was experiencing a lot of pressure of being retained. And after he didn't really get those opportunities, just gradually felt that he's just like any other normal player, because the moment you say that a player is retained, I think that in itself adds a lot of pressure. I thought that the pressure on him has eased a bit, and he's given us some fantastic start. Yeah, that was definitely part of the thought process. We needed to give him time to settle. Last season was a bit different because we didn't really have such a strong Indian batting lineup, and because of that, somebody like a Gurkirat or a Mandeep and Manan got to play a lot of games. But then here this season it's been like Gurkirat still to get a game, and it just shows that there is a lot of depth in the Indian batting department as well.